Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your go-to channel for the latest bike reviews and updates. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2025, the Royal Enfield Bullet 350. The Bullet has always been a symbol of power and legacy, but what's new in this latest model? Stick around to find out. Design and build. The 2025 Bullet 350 stays true to its iconic vintage design, but with subtle refinements that enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The round headlamp, teardrop fuel tank, and bold RE branding give it a timeless look, while new alloy wheels and fresh color options add a modern twist. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the new Bullet 350 is powered by a 349 cubic centimeters J-series engine, delivering smoother performance with enhanced fuel efficiency. Expect improved torque, reduced vibrations, and a top speed that makes highway cruising effortless. This bike isn't just about looks, it's built to perform. Riding comfort. Royal Enfield has focused on rider comfort with an upgraded suspension system and a well-cushioned seat, making long rides enjoyable. Whether you're riding in the city or hitting open roads, the ergonomic handlebars and improved braking system ensure a confident and smooth ride. Features and technology. The Bullet 350 now comes with semi-digital instrumentation, offering vital information like trip details, fuel level, and an optional Bluetooth connectivity feature. With a USB charging port and improved LED lighting, this classic beast is now more practical than ever. Pricing and verdict. With a competitive price tag, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 offers a perfect blend of heritage, performance, and modern features. Whether you're a Bullet enthusiast or a first-time buyer, this bike is a solid investment for those who love raw power and timeless style. Outro. That's a wrap on our Bullet 350 review. What are your thoughts on this new model? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BikeZone Pro for more in-depth bike reviews. Ride safe and see you in the next video.